Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Brad here. So today I want to walk you through how to invest $100 in 2020 using Robinhood fractional shares. So just today I got access to fractional shares in Robinhood, and I just want to walk you through what that is. So say you have $100 to invest and you want to invest in companies like Google, Facebook, Tesla, Apple, or Amazon, companies that have a share price over $100. So with the Robinhood fractional share feature, now you can invest in companies where the share price is over $100. You can invest in fractional shares, fractions of what those shares cost. So I'll show you how to do that. Here's Google. So you click buy, click that top right corner where it says shares. You can buy in dollars. So I can buy into Google stock for as little as $1. And that will give me 1 divided by 11.98, which is what the share price is for Google. It'll give me that fraction of a share. So that's what I'll own. Now the cool thing about this is if you have $100 and you want to own some of these companies, you could put $20 in Google, 20 in Facebook, 20 in Tesla, 20 in Apple, 20 in Amazon, Microsoft, Berkshire Hathaway, whatever you want. And that will allow you to have something of a diversified portfolio with a small amount of starting capital, okay, like $100. And I want to walk through a little bit of the fine print here with the fractional shares on Robinhood. So fractional shares, they're pieces of whole shares of a company or an exchange traded fund. Fractional shares, you can trade in real time, commission free. So I just got it. There's still a pretty long waiting list for fractional shares. So the sooner you sign up for that, the sooner you'll have access. It talks about why they rolled out fractional shares. Now, here's where you get into the fine print. So the stocks that are supported with fractional shares, the stock price has to be over $1, and the market capitalization of the company has to be over $25 million. Now, $25 million is still a very small market cap for a company. So it's not much of a limitation. You still have access to the vast majority of companies, certainly all the ones that you've probably heard of that are public companies. And yeah, so that's what's supported. Now dividends will be paid basically it's split based on the fraction of stock that you own. So that's what you'd expect. And then it's rounded to the nearest penny. So no surprises there. You've got transfers. You can't transfer fractional shares to other brokerages. So say, you were on Robinhood, you want to move over to TD Ameritrade or some other broker. You can trade whole shares. You can transfer whole shares over to that other account. You can't transfer partial shares. So you'd either have to leave those partial shares with Robinhood, or you could sell them in Robinhood and then buy partial shares over at your new brokerage. And then you got stock splits. It's probably not going to be super relevant to you guys. And then one other thing I want to say is fractional shares have to be executed as a market order. Can't be executed as a limit order. So I like using limit orders because let's give an example. So say Google's at 1,200 right now, but it's too expensive for me at 1,200. I really want to buy it at 1,100. So with a limit order, I can place an order saying Okay, I want to buy Google at 1100. So don't execute the order until it gets down to 1100. And within Robinhood, I can even place a 3-month limit order. So if it gets down to 1100 anytime in the next 3 months, then the order will execute. And if it doesn't, the order will just expire. So yeah, that's Robinhood fractional shares. And just so you know, guys, if you don't have a Robinhood account, I have a link in the description of this video. And if you use that link, you get a free share of stock, and I get a free share of stock. Uh, Now, it's kind of fun too. So Robinhood basically shows it as 3 different cards on the screen. Like, let's make a deal. You got those 3 doors, right? And you get to pick a door. You guys are probably too young for let's make a deal. But you get to scratch off one of the cards, and under that, it reveals which free stock you get. It can be a stock that's valued a couple dollars, or it can be a stock that's hundreds of dollars, like Apple. So, and as Warren Buffett always says, the best way to invest is to buy things for less than they're worth. And obviously, when you get it for free, you're doing that in spades. So, uh, use that link. You don't have to use the link. You can just sign up for Robinhood on your own. That's fine too. But get in as soon as you can if you want to take advantage of these fractional shares, because there is a waiting list, and the sooner you sign up, the sooner you'll have access to fractional shares. So that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to share. If you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button. I'd love it if you smash the thumbs up button. That would really help the algorithm show this video to more people. And thanks for being here, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.